I'm Lindsay Bugbee, and today I am super excited to share one of TPK's most popular free printables with you. It is this Flourish by Number bunny. So as you can see, these flourishes come together to make a very elegant rabbit, and this motif is particularly appropriate around this time of year. We're in March, heading into April. So if you go down on this worksheet, you'll see that we have some numbers and shapes here and a key. So every time you see 1, you're putting in some S flourishes. Every time you see 2, some phone curl flourishes. 3, you invert those flourishes. And then 4 is really just the eye and the nose, and those are not flourishes, they're just solid. So the idea behind this is you can use this for calligraphy practice or warm-up, so you can write directly on this, which I will do shortly to demo how to fill this worksheet out. And then after that, if you want to put the motif on an envelope or whatever other piece of art, the second page of this has an outline that you can trace around, and then you can just reference these numbers to roughly see where your flourishes go. All right, so let me demo this to you, and hopefully you will get some inspiration out of seeing me fill this in. You can see I've got my bunny here, so now let's talk about real life applications. So here's another copy of the worksheet set, and on the second page here, you got this bunny and you got this bunny. So this bunny is meant for if you have a light box and you want to shine up this version of the bunny through like a white envelope. Figure B is more for if you don't have a light box. And I'm going to use figure B today because I will be writing on this pink envelope, which won't allow a light box's light to shine up through it. Plus, this room is way too light to use a light box in anyway. Hard to film on a light box because it requires so much darkness. So what I'm going to do is cut out my bunny, and I will speed up the video as I do that. Okay, now that I've got this little guy, I can test out his position on my envelope. This would be cool because we have some negative space up here for stamps. Then this is cool because he can be filling up this part, and then the stamps can be filling up this part. You know what though? I think that I'll go ahead and put him right here. So let me grab a pencil. And then I'll trace around this little guy. And then you can approximate the positioning of the eye, which is like an almond shape, and the nose. Put in the division between the feet. Oh, and I'm just noticing I didn't get a lot of that back. Hold on. And now we've got this outline. Now, if you want to, you can try and draw the positions of these different shapes within your creature, within your bunny, but you don't have to. I'm just going to use this as a loose guide for the placement and types of flourishes that I should use to fill in this bunny. So I will speed up the video. While I do that, let me pick out an ink and then we will commence. Now let's wait for that to dry. And now the magic happens when we erase these pencil guidelines. And there we have a fabulous flourished bunny. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial video and the free worksheet that comes with it. If you have any questions about how to fill out this worksheet or how to make the bunny flourish by number motif, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.